What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I got an interesting one today. So this car is a 2014. Let me turn it off so you can hear me. Very interesting. Right now you can observe it's running smooth. But I'm gonna get into the reason why the car is here. No check engine light, nothing like that. All right, let's turn it off so we can hear ourselves. So the car customer complaint was that the car felt like it was missing, it was losing power. And I had put a compressor in this car last year. And then, he starts complaining about maybe the compressor has some issues. Is it seizing up or something? So I took a look at it briefly. Didn't see anything really wrong with the compressor. The car was still kind of huffing and puffing, even with the AC off. So I told him just, come out to the shop and let's figure it out. So came in, no check engine light, and the check engine light works, by the way. I scanned the car for codes, no codes. I mean, it literally, the muffler was going pop, 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 pop. Clear misfire. So I told him, you know what, just keep driving it, I guess, until, something pops up, because there's no misfire without a check engine light. So I'm not sure what's going on, but this is something new to me. I've never seen it. But eventually I decided, you know what, to heck with that. Let me just do a cylinder drop test and see what's going on. Lo and behold, while I'm doing my cylinder drop test, number 3, no contribution. I unplugged the coil, no change. I told him, wow. And there is absolutely no check engine light. That's a new one for me. So anyway, I had him go and buy some ignition coil, one ignition coil, and a set of spark plugs. This is what they had. I wanted to get the NGK, but they didn't have it. And this is the culprit right here. So I'm not sure if you guys have experienced something like this, but for me, this is a brand new one. I've never seen a dead miss, because this was a coil now, and this coil was dead. It's not even like it was working intermittently. It was dead. A dead miss with 0 check engine light. No misfire, not in OBD2 mode, right? Not in dealer mode. All the Nissan technicians, please, how do you explain this?